Tinabla ni Senator Risa Ontiveros ang mga maling impormasyong kumakalat patungkol sa isinusulong niyang anti-adolescent pregnancy bill. Mismong si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasi pumalag sa umano'y ilang probisyon ng panukala. Magbabalita si Maricel Halili.
I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that.
Ito ang reaksyon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos matapos umanong mabasa ang Senate Bill 1979 o ang Anti-Adolescent Pregnancy Bill.
This is all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach four-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children. What about the parents? Wala na silang karapatan na silang mag-decide kung ano at kailan tuturuan yung bata. I'm a parent and I'm a grandparent. So I feel very strongly about this.
Kaya pagtitiyak ng Pangulo,
if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it. The consequences of early pregnancy, the prevalence of HIV, kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila na mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me.
agad namang sinagot ni Senador Risa Ontiveros na principal author ng panukala ang pahayag ng Pangulo. Paglilinaw niya.
Mr. President, with all due respect, maliwanag na wala po sa bill kahit ang salita na masturbation. Wala din po yung try different sexualities.
Maging ang mga nagsusulong ng comprehensive sex education dismayado sa kumakalat na maling impormasyon tungkol sa panukala. Partikular ang tungkol sa pagtuturo ng masturbation sa mga 4 na taong gulang pababa.
It's not in the bill. It was never in any of the versions since the 17th Congress. Actually, I'm asking, are we reading the same bill? Because the words that he used, the words that he said he read in the bill are actually not found in the bill.
Pero tungkol saan nga ba ang panukala? Paliwanag ng Philippine Legislators Committee on Population and Development, ito ay simpleng pagpapalakas sa existing ng mandato ng Department of Education na magturo ng comprehensive sex education. Ang mga paksa, human body and human development, personhood, healthy relationship, sexuality and sexual behaviors, sexual and reproductive health, personal safety at gender, culture, and human rights. Nakasaad din sa panuntunan ng DepEd na dapat itong ipasok sa mga subject na music, arts, PE, and health, araling panlipunan, edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, science, at personal development. Sa tanong kung aalisin ito ang karapatan ng mga magulang na magturo ng sex education sa kanilang mga anak,
We also believe that the parents are the ones who are primarily responsible. But there's also the reality that in our country, parents do not really talk about sex with their children, and children do not really seek that kind of conversation from their parents. So what we can do about this is for the state to support the teaching of sexuality education through trained professionals, and that those are the teachers, so that children will receive accurate information.
handa naman daw si Senador Ontiveros na plansyahin pa ang Anti-Adolescent Pregnancy Bill para maipasa ito. Kasalukuyang nasa ikalawang pagbasa para sa interpellation at amendments ng Senate Bill 1979. Ako si Maricel Halili para sa 1PH.